In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos in Google Drive and share a link updated for 2025. This process is straightforward and can be incredibly useful for sharing images with anyone, anywhere. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're at the Google Drive home screen, you'll see a new button on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. You'll want to select File Upload from these choices. This action will prompt a window to open, allowing you to navigate through your computer files. From here, browse through your folders and locate the photo you wish to upload. Click on the selected file and then hit Open. Your photo will start uploading to Google Drive, and you can see its progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once your photo is uploaded, it's time to locate that photo in your drive. You can either search for it using the search bar at the top or scroll through the list if you don't have too many files. When you find your freshly uploaded photo, click on it to open the file in a preview window. With the photo open, you'll notice a few icons in the top right corner. Click on the share button, which is usually depicted with a person icon and a plus sign. This action will open a new window where you can manage sharing settings. By default, the sharing settings might be set to restricted, meaning only people you specifically add can access the photo. To make it easier for more people to view your image, you should change this setting. Click on the drop down that says restricted and select the option that says anyone with the link. This will make it so that anyone who has the link to your photo can view it, making sharing much simpler. Finally, the last step is to click on Copy Link. This button copies the shareable link to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere, be it an email, a chat message, or a social media post, to share the photo with others. And there you have it, you've successfully uploaded a photo to Google Drive and generated a shareable link. This method allows you to conveniently share images with family, friends, or even colleagues wherever they are. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.